Okay, so are you able to see my screen? I
No,
haven't shared yet. Is it?
no. Okay. Yeah, now it's visible.
See here, I have this SMUTs. Okay,
Yeah.
so I have activated it so I can see the name. I'll help you out with that. Let me get out that.
Okay.
So what does this SN utils mean? And I'll give you this information. When you type SN utils, okay, so on the Chrome or whatever the browser you are using, it could be Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer, whatever. Okay, you can type SN utils, you'll be finding something like this. SN utils tools for ServiceNow, and when you just click here, okay, so you'll be having this button add to Chrome. So once you add it on this puzzle symbol, you'll be finding it usually. Okay, these are extensions. That means you're trying to enable more options to your web browser. That is what the extension does. Okay, so extensions usually we added from the to the web browsers. Post that you'll find the list here, and I have just pinned it so that I'll have SNUtils open here. Okay, and this SNUtils works in this form where it has to be opened with the ServiceNow. See, SNUtils doesn't run on the current page. That means we are on a different web page that doesn't belongs to ServiceNow. Okay, once we are into ServiceNow, you can see these all options usually. So once my instance is up, I can show you that. So over there, you will be finding settings. Okay, I can just show you from here. See settings, and over there you will have a option like enable the backend names on page load.
Okay, that's where we can it's visible.
Yeah, technical name on page load.
Okay, got
Okay, from there you can actually see the backend names.
Okay.
Yeah.
So another doubt I had, Shreya, like you said, dictionary override, right? Dictionary override generally whenever we don't want to our incident number should be incremented for every refresh or anything. Regarding that, I had a one doubt, like suppose we after dictionary override we will select the number field and we default make it set it as a default, right? After that, what we save it, then if we save it, it will change or it will remain as the same. It will remain as the same, right? Incident number.
If you're not giving anything on the incident number, like on the default value, okay, what happens? It comes as empty until unless you save the form.
Until unless we change the form. Any update. Save. Okay.
Until unless you save the form, it doesn't see that. If you try it on your PDI, you can understand it, sir. So you can
I
share your
tried
screen.
it. I found it like it's not updating. Like it's remaining same. Yeah.
Like if you put any default value, it remains the same. It doesn't auto increment it. If the default value is set to true, once you save the form only, you can see the incident number.
Okay, then fine. Okay, understood.
Okay. Yeah. So that's a valid question. But see, if you try it, has you experimented already, so that might help you others also, right? If you try only, you can debug more.
Yes, I know. Thank you. Thank you.
Sure, no problem. I think my screen is not visible, right? I'm just waiting for the instance to be up. And can I get any of your instant like PDI details? Because I think mine it takes time to wake up now.
Sure. Yeah, sure, Shreya. You can take
You
mine.
can ping me 1-to-1 or you can ping me on WhatsApp.
Sure.
Anything is fine for me.
I will ping you.
Yeah.
Shreya, one more question.
Sure, no problem.
Yeah, in play layout, configure layout, list layout. If we enable that caller ID and assign some few dotted fields I assigned, I am unable to see the caller ID. Remaining all I am able to see.
Caller ID I am able to see. I didn't
Sorry?
get it. Did we discuss dot walking?
Yeah.
Is it completed?
Yeah, you have shown us dot walking.
Okay. So But you can share
If
your
you are,
screen and
if you are,
where it is. Yeah, I have given access. You can share your screen because I'm not very clear with your query.
1 second, I
Yeah.
didn't make it. 1 second, Shreya. At end of the class, I'll show. Otherwise, my PDA is not yet enabled.
Okay. That's okay, no problem. Caller.manager, caller.email, like this we can do, but caller.caller ID doesn't populate, right? Because see, what you are going to check under caller.email, caller.name, caller dot, like this we can check. That is possible. Callers manager you can check. Callers
Sorry,
managers
sorry,
manager you can check.
Shreya, I'm talking about caller.email ID.
Oh, that is what caller.caller ID, how we are checking. I was surprised.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so if you show me, I can fix it. I think you might
One
miss that one particular
Yeah, I'll
setting
show
step.
you.
Yeah. So where did you share the credentials, Seth? Oh, I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, today we'll discuss data lookup rules, and tomorrow we'll start with some interesting topics. Okay, on Sunday also I'll try to connect. Is it okay, guys? The same time. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Shreya, will there be class on Sunday too?
Yeah, it depends on
Okay.
what majority says.
Yeah, okay, sure. Fine.
Yeah, I think your instance doesn't take much time to open, I guess.
I'm opening, Shreya. 1 second, I'll share the screen.
Yes, no problem. No, yeah, science is also up. Once yours is up, let me know, Niharika.
Yeah, I'm
Niharika,
opening.
Mihira.
I'm sharing this.
Mihira, sorry.
I'm sharing the screen.
You are showing the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. If I click on this,
I
here I'm
can't, I
unable to
can
see
see
that.
only blank screen. Yeah, now.
Here I am unable to see that caller email ID.
Where did you
If
enable this dot working? Can you show me?
1 second. Yeah. 1 second.
See, it will work for any instant form, Nehira. It's not like it doesn't work.
See, I'm able to see caller ID dot email here in the
Mhm.
table. I have enabled like right click configure.
See, this is for table you
Yes.
have enabled. For form also, from form layout you have to enable it, right? Then only it works.
Okay. Um, where I should enable Shreya? That one I
Right click.
missed. Here only?
No, on the form you have to go to form.
Okay.
Yeah,
Right
right
click.
click. Form layout.
Yeah. Form layout.
Yeah. So usually the fields which are green in color are identified as a reference fields. Okay. And this
Okay.
dot walking technique applies only for reference fields. Okay.
Okay.
So just click on the expand button on the top. Yes. When you expand it, scroll up, not down, up.
Oh yeah.
See dot
Please.
caller. So from here, take email, scroll down. So this is the first level of dot walking. Yeah.
Okay.
Push it to your right side. Yeah. I don't think we have discussed dot walking for this batch. I don't know.
Okay.
Others, please confirm. Does we completed this topic? Hello.
Yeah, dog walking.
Hmm.
I don't think so.
Shreya, I have just completed the basics of the dot working, Shreya. Like
Yeah.
you just explained the how the client email or else the manager email is get changed. Not about not more than that you have explained.
Okay. That is what I'm also surprised. Okay, that's okay. We'll discuss about it if time permits today. We'll talk about data lookup rule. We have completed assignment rules, right?
Yes, Shreya, assignment rules, yes.
Yeah. Just allow me a minute. I'm sharing my screen now. Yeah. What is assignment rules? I'll show you. So when you open a new instant form, usually what happens, you'll find this impact urgency fields, right? Which sets priority.
Shreya,
So-
your screen is not, you're not sharing your screen.
Yeah. Is it visible again?
Yeah, now it's visible. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So this is our instant form. Okay. Usually data lookup rules are something that works for impact, urgency, and priority. What happens? Impact is nothing but how much the user was impacted with this particular issue. Uh, what is the urgency for him to fix this issue? Like how urgent the issue has to be fixed. Is it high level? Is it medium? Or is it low? Okay. Depending on your impact and urgency selection, priority value is being decided. That means impact high, urgency high, the priority is critical. If impact is high, urgency is 2, okay, the priority value usually changes. See, too high. Let's say 1 and 2. See, too high. 1 and 3. 3 moderate. If it is 3 and 3, 5 planning. If it is 3 and 2, 4, like 4 low. If it is 2 and 2, 3 moderate again. If it is 3 and 2, it is 4 low again. If it is 1 and 3, it is 3 moderate. Like this, we have a combinations. If the impact is 1 and urgency is 3, the priority is 3. But how this is being configured, if we have a similar requirement, how to replicate the same functionality on our own custom form or a table, let's see. Is it okay?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So impact urgency decides your priority. To replicate the same, let's go to configure form layout. I think I have completed dot working, but I'm not sure. Let me cross check and I'll help you out. Maybe scripting part I have put it on hold for you, batch.
Yeah, Shreya, you just showed us how the email, if we change the person name, how the email ID is getting changed. That's all you have shown us, and you have shown us how to import this.
Okay, fine. That's okay. We are going to create impact one choice field. Okay. Add it. We are going to one. It is also a choice field. Priority one. It is also a choice field. So we have these 3 fields, right? Let's just align them properly. Just next, then like next to your assigned to field, I'm just placing them. These 3 are the 3 custom fields which I have created now just to replicate the similar functionality on the same form. But you can also do it on your newly created table and form. See, here we have none, 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 but let's add some options. Like add choice can help you in creating more choices. One high, 2 moderate, 3 low. Save it. Okay, and for urgency also, let's replicate the same. One high, 2 moderate, 2 low. One high, 2 moderate, 3 low. And in priority, let's add similar choices again. And you have other way to create the choices. Configure dictionary. From there also you can create the choices which we have already discussed, but let me just explain you the same. See, after opening the dictionary, you can scroll complete down where you'll be finding this choice tab, and from here you can give one critical. And whenever you are providing the label name, make sure you are also giving the value. Otherwise, system doesn't allow you. Even though if you are saving the record, it doesn't comes under a good practice. Critical too high. So only thing, whenever you are creating choices from here, you have to make sure that you are giving the label name and the value name, and the other way. So let me save this two choices. The rest three will create it from here. This is the other way to create the choices. Sequence, I'm not drawing any sequence, so save. I'm just showing you the shortcut. For the first time, you have to save the record, and your requirement is to work. Your requirement is to create more choices on this sys choice table, so you can modify whatever your next value is. Like for low is my next value. Just click on the header banner, insert and stay. That means you want to insert this for low record and stay on the same page. You don't want to go back and reopen this page again. So just click insert and stay. For that, I want to create one new choice, which is 5 planning. So if I have another choice to be created, I'll just click on insert and stay. That means this 5 planning will be inserted and I'll be on the same page. I'll remodify this label and value name according to 6 risk, something like that, and insert it. Okay, now I don't have more options. I'm just clicking on insert. Okay, now all my 5 choices are enabled. See, now we have created this options on our instant form and table. See, we have 1 high, 2 moderate, 3 low. Okay, it's a medium, that's okay. Now you have to go to tables. See, again, Syed, on incognito, that means I'm on a private browser. The form doesn't show me any backend links. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, because the extension doesn't works on the private windows.
Yeah.
Okay, and you can take the table name from here anytime from the URL. Okay, so now usually while working on this data lookup rules, we have to create a custom table, guys. That table has to be extended with data lookup matcher rules. There is a out of the box table, and whenever you extend with this data lookup matcher table, then only this data lookup functionality will be working as per requirement. Okay, so let's say priority matrix. Okay, and from here, just click on that lookup icon, click on your label. Data match. One minute, guys. Yeah, data lookup matcher rules. This is a table with which we have to extend the table. Just click on save. So I'll be back because I just want to drink some water. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Is it okay?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm back. So here, when I extend the table, these are all the columns that I inherited from your extended table. As we have this impact one, urgency one, priority one, we have to create the same. So let's take impact one, type as choice, urgency one. Okay, just update. The table name is priority matrix. Sort it with your updated time, so you'll be seeing the latest one on the top. So these are the three fields we have created. Let's just go to click on show form. So see, and now let's add the choices. The same choices that are here. One high, two moderate, and three low. So from configure choices, I'm going to add. So for urgency also, let's create the same choices. Right click, configure choices. And now, two moderate, three low. Okay, and for priority one, we have to add 5 choices. Critical, high, moderate, low, and planning. save. Okay. Okay. Now, see, we have also added our the same fields that we have created on our instance form. Okay, now just go to your left navigator. You can refresh the instance from here. Just type data lookup rules. Under system policy, you will be finding them. And this data policies can be applied on the table level as well on the catalog level. The implementation is same. Okay, so here you can see priority lookup, which is applied on instant table. Okay, and it is also been extended with DLU underscore priority table. That is nothing but the table which we have used. So you can just select this backend name, add list to it. I just want to show you. See priority data lookup. I'll do one thing. I don't want to confuse you guys. So this is the already existing one. Let's go and create a data lookup functionality for our impact one, urgency one, and priority one. So I'm just clicking on you. DL underscore definition is a table. See data lookup rule or catalog data lookup rule. Catalog is nothing but while working on catalogs, you can apply this. While working on tables, you'll be using the generic data lookup rule. That's the only difference. This generic data lookup rule is applied on particular table, and catalog lookup rule is applied to a catalog item. The topic yet to be discussed. So once we are into those, you can also try this. Okay, so you can give a name like priority matrix. And here you have to select your source table and a matcher table. Source table is our instant table. Matcher table is our priority matrix, the one which we have created now and extended it with the data lookup matcher rules. That will be your matcher table. And it has to be on global application. It has to be active, run on form change, run on insert, run on update. Okay. Now, whenever you save, you'll find matcher fields, setup fields. That means here impact urgency should sets the priority, right? Matcher fields will be impact and urgency, setup field will be priority. So you have to select your field that you have created on your incident table, which is nothing but your source table. So when you scroll down, you can see urgency one, urgency one. Okay, exact lookup match if you are looking for, you can just click here. Just click on, I have one more field which is a impact, right? So impact one actually. Impact. Why am I able to see only urgency? Yes. Impact. Impact. Submit. After impact, I'll give urgency. Just click on it. Urgency one, urgency one. The one which we have created, you have to select. Okay, submit. Both are matcher fields, and my setup field will be priority one. Click on it. Not priority, it should be priority one. Over here also, you have to select this one. Now my matcher and setup fields are filled. Let me save this data lookup definition. Let's just go to instance form, reload it. Now let's see. If I select one high, it has to give me one critical, like what it is happening here. But no, it's not working. Then what we have to do? We have to create the choices. Where we have to create the choices? On the table that we have created. Okay. So U underscore priority matrix, right? Here you have to create the choices. Let's go to tables. Or you can do one shortcut which might help you. So you can take this name U underscore priority underscore matrix. You can just paste the same name dot list. Okay. So here you can see priority matrix is the data lookup rule name, and from here also you can copy the same matcher table backend name. Okay. With that matcher table backend name, if you just click on list, it takes you to the list of the table. See, there are no fields. So impact, let's set it properly, like alignment. Impact urgency sets priority. So in that order only we'll place it. Now just click on new, and I'll also shuffle the fields here properly. Impact should be on the top. Okay, so one high should result in one critical. So save. 1 and 2 should result in 2 high. Insert and stay. 1 and 3 should result with 3 moderate. Insert and stay. 3 and 3 should result with 5 planning. Insert and stay. 3 and 2 should result in 4 low. Insert and stay. 2 and 2 should result in 3 moderate. Insert and stay. 2 and 1 should result in 2 high again. Insert and stay. So I think I'm good with this many scenarios, but if you want to create more, you can also. Let's just click on like 3 and 3, 5 planning. I don't know whether I have given it or not. See? Here, this many choices we have created, right? After creating these choices, just open your instance. Incident notebook. Now, one high should result you with 1 critical. See? 1 high, 2 moderate. 1 and 2 should give you 2 high. Let me refresh. 1 and 2. Yes. Refresh. 3 and 3. Pipeline. If you want this field to be grayed out, just give a right click. Configure dictionary. And you can make the field read only from here. we haven't seen it properly. Give right click, dictionary. Read only, save it. Okay. Now, if I just give to 1, 3, 1, 3, maybe I haven't created any choice. Let's reload. 2, 1, 1. What is the match? Yes. See, guys, did you understand what we have done? We have created 3 fields, 3 custom fields here. As the scenario was something like replicating the same impact, urgency, and priority, what is available on our instance form. So I have created 3 choice fields, like type has choice. So just added my own choices like high, moderate, and low. For impact and urgency, but for priority, I have added more choices like high, critical, high, moderate, low, and planning. So this is on our incident table, which acts like a source table here. And there should be a matcher table. How this matcher table exists? By default, it is not available in ServiceNow, right? So as a requirement, you have to go and create this matcher table. Or if this matcher table is already available, you can also, you will get that matcher table name in your requirement. They will specify it. So you can just go to tables and open the matcher table if it is already available. If not, you have to create a new table. For creating a new table, we already know you will have a new button. You have to provide a label name and a name. Post that, there is a field called extend table. You have to extend it with data lookup matcher rules. This step you should never forget it. Post that few of the columns are auto-populated by system as they are inherited from your extended table. As part of our requirement, we have to replicate the same functionality on our matcher table. Like you have to create 3 more choice fields here. Like the same names, whatever you have given, including the choices, should be provided on this fields too, like impact 1, urgency 1, priority 1 with the same choices. Just save it. Go to your left navigator. You will be finding data lookup definitions. Okay, under system policy menu, you'll be finding. As we already have few examples as demo data, you can also try to investigate on that. Otherwise, you can directly go and create a new one. By just clicking on new, it will ask you, are you creating it for any catalog or on a table? As the requirement is for a table, we'll go with generic data lookup rules. So when you just click here on the generic data lookup rules, you have to provide a name of your data lookup definition. You have to select your source table and the matcher table. Source table is nothing but where exactly you are want to make this impact urgency, fetch the priority, that table name, and the matcher table which we have created, you have to fill that information on the matcher table. Suppose that like when it should be working, you can decide all this, like run on update, run on insert and everything. Once you save it, you will find 2 sections, setup fields, matcher fields. Matcher fields are nothing but impact urgency sets priority. So setup fields will be priority, matcher fields will be impact and urgency. Suppose that you have to take the table which we have created, like the matcher table. You can open the backend name of the table, adding list to it. Okay. Over there, you can create your own choices, like one high should land me with 1 critical, or 1 high, 2 moderate should land me in 3 planning, something like this. I can decide my own choices and cross verify it on my source form. That is nothing but a instance form here. So this is a task for everyone here. Please try to replicate this data lookup functionality on your custom form or even on your instant form. I am okay with anything. I would like to see screenshots. So this is a task for today. But sorry to stop it here today. Basically, my throat is aching. So what I'll do, tomorrow I'll give you some 15 minutes information about data dot walking, sorry. Post that will work for almost an hour. Is it okay? I'll compensate this 15 minutes in tomorrow's class. Hello?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, sorry guys, it's aching badly, that's the reason.
It's
I'll
okay.
stop it here. I'll give you this recording most probably by 10:30. It takes time for downloading, that's the only reason. I'll upload it in Drive and I'll share it, okay? Yeah, thank you all.